welcome to my channel. My name is Jan, and on this channel we talk about all things fragrance. Home fragrance, perfumes, laundry boosters, laundry soap, cleaners, a lot of Scentsy, anything that you can make smell good, we talk about here. So if that's something that would interest you or that you would enjoy, I hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you'll be notified of all future uploads. Now that we got that out of the way, I got a large box today from Scentsy. I had an order in and it just came, so I thought I would unbox it with you. So my handy dandy knife, which looks like I'm gonna like slice up a chicken instead of opening a box, but here we go. Let's all see what's inside. Okay, oh gosh. Let's just hope I don't lose a finger in this process because I never tried to open a box while sitting down. There we go. Okay, get the knife out of the way. All right, you know what? I'm going to put this box on my chair here. A handy dandy helper chair. And let's see what we got inside my Scentsy haul. Okay, a lot of packing paper, which in the winter, by the way, if you have a wood fireplace, great kindling, great starter. Okay, first thing, I got some light bulbs. I got a lot of light bulbs, actually. So, light bulbs. Second thing I got, and I have not tried these yet, but I am actually going to do a video on how to remove wax from your warmers. I have several tricks to teach you how to remove the wax easy and fuss-free. These actually are new, and I wanted to wait until these came so that I could do that video and try using these and see how it works. What these are, they're called cotton cleanups. And they are essentially thick cotton pads with a little tab on the top, so you don't have to stick your finger in the wax. Even if you do, it's not going to burn you, no big deal, but it just makes it a little bit easier. And you dip this in and it will soak up all the wax. You wipe your tray out with a paper towel and you're done, and you're all cleaned up. And this actually will hold enough wax from several warmers, so you can use one to clean several warmers. So I got a couple of packs of those, because that sounded like it was gonna be good. What else did we get here? Oh, okay, I remember. Now I remember. I love these. Okay, let's get this out and I'm gonna show you what it is. These just take your warmers to the next level. And this one I thought was perfect for literally almost every warmer. It's a stand. It's a warmer stand. And I'm just going to look and see. This one is called Birchwood. And this is what it looks like. So it literally, I mean, I'm looking at it, you know, up close. And I don't know how well you can see through the camera. But this actually looks like a piece of birch wood. It's very sturdy. I love the fact that it has the rubber tips on the bottom so that it's not going to scratch your furniture. It's not going to scratch any table or any shelf that you put it on. So I got one of those. And the reason I got that one is to go with this. I have been coveting this warmer since I saw it in the catalog. I have been wanting this one, and I finally said, now it's mine. So this one is called Country Canister, and it's from the collection that has, it's very popular right now. If you look in the catalog, I will link my website below. On my website, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can view our current catalog, which is brand new. August 1st, we came out with the fall-winter catalog. But on my website, you can view all the products that are available. And you'll see a lot of the warmers have a country chic kind of a theme to them. Some of them are metal, some of them are enamel, but they all have like a country type theme, which I love. This one is ceramic. Okay, here's the lid. Okay. And you'll see why I just like flipped for this in a second. This actually is an element warmer, so there's no light bulb with this one. Don't have to worry about that. I think there's something else in the box. There's a piece of chalk. Why, you ask? I will show you. Because on the front of this warmer, there's like a little blackboard, and you can write anything you want on here. So I'm going to personalize it, put my name on there, and in the back, there's a little holder to hold your piece of chalk so you don't lose it, because if I didn't have that there, and look what I did, I already erased my name with it. Because it literally, you just wipe it off and erase it, and you can put whatever you want on there. I flipped for this warmer. I thought it was absolutely adorable. This one is ceramic. This is not the metal, but it has that same country chic theme to it. And again, with the element warmer, since there is no light bulb, there is a light on the back. And when you plug it in, that light will glow red to let you know that you have the warmer on. So that's how you'll know that your warmer is on. This one, again, is an element warmer. There's no removable dish. Your wax goes right in here. I'm looking on here to see, because the new warmers tell you how many cubes, the maximum number of cubes that you can put in. But this one doesn't say. But I'm going to say from the depth and the size of the dish that I would put a maximum, no more than, I'm really erasing the whole thing. I got chalk all over me. I would put in a maximum of 2 cubes. I don't think I would put in more than 2 in here. But honestly, I don't think I've ever put more than 2 cubes in any warmer. I know you can. Some of them say that you can put up to 4 cubes in it. Personally, I've always found that 2 was enough. But again, I have warmers everywhere over the house. So you can see sort of over there. Let's turn the camera a little bit, because I think there are still some available. I'll insert a picture of my Yankees warmer, my MLB warmer, and those are still 40% off. They are in the clearance section, which is listed under specials on the website. So if you are into Major League Baseball, if you're a baseball fan and you have a particular team that you love, hopefully your team will still be available. I know a lot of them have sold out, including my Yankees, so I'm so glad I grabbed that one. So here's my warmer on the base, and I wanted to show you a really nice feature of this base, which is a place to store the extra cord. So you'll see there are 2 cutouts on the side of the base for the cord, and then when you turn the base over, you'll see that underneath there's a place to store the extra cord, which is really nice because that keeps everything all nice and neat. So here's my warmer, and I'm going to add 2 cubes of the current scent of the month, which is aloe vera and ivy, which is a really fresh, clean green scent with a hint of melon. So it's really nice. Put the lid on. Here's the warmer all set up, and I just want to show you in the back where I pointed out the light that shows you when the warmer is on. Right now it's on. You can see it's glowing red. And then when I turn the switch, you'll see that that light will go out, and that lets you know that the warmer is off. So there, the warmer's off, and now you see it glowing red. That indicates that the warmer is turned on. And that's Country Canister. So I decided I couldn't wait to try the cotton cleanups. So here's a dish with some melted wax in it, and I took the cotton cleanup, I held it by the tab, and then I put it into the wax. There's the melted wax, and I put the cotton cleanup in and waited for it to absorb the wax. And it only took a few, maybe a minute or so, and in that time I ran to get a paper towel because I wasn't too prepared. So I took it out, and you can see the wax was all on the cotton cleanup. I took a paper towel and wiped out the dish, and it was super, super simple. Wiped it with a paper towel and the dish got clean. But then I got curious whether or not it would work, the same one would work again. So I took a second dish of melted wax. There you can see it's melted. I do have some staining. I do have to take a magic eraser to my dish. But I took that same cotton cleanup. You can see the pink wax on there. And I used the same one, put it in the dish, and waited a couple of seconds, maybe 30 seconds tops, and let it absorb. And this time I got smart and used the cleanup to wipe the edges of the dish as well. It worked great. Took a paper towel again, and in 2 seconds wiped it out, wiped it all clean, and found this was probably the easiest way yet to clean out a dish from a warmer. And there you go, it's all cleaned out. But then I got curious again because the cotton cleanup seemed to have more room in it. So I got a third dish of wax to see if it would clean, how much exactly it would hold. So I took that same cotton cleanup with the wax from the first 2 warmers and I pushed it in. Now, the one message I would say here, don't push it in until you let it absorb a little bit. I almost had a spillover, but I didn't. I saw it and I took my hand off it and I waited to see, and it took it right out. I was even able to use the sides of the cleanup to clean out the rest of the dish. And you can see with a quick wipe from a paper towel, turn it over, there was absolutely no wax left. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button so you can join us the next time.